Hello and welcome to this video about DevOps tests for Zenata. First, log into Zenata DevOps, select the Zenata Z4 development project and go to the test plans icon on the left. Tests will be available. Select the tests to complete and assign them to yourself. Ensure VS10 is selected as the configuration. Select Execute. You may have to reselect your tests. Select Run for web application to start the tests. The test runner will appear. For each test, follow the steps to conduct the test and click the tick or the cross to indicate pass or fail. If the test fails, then add a comment and raise a bug, setting the bug title. The reproduction steps will be added for you. Add any extra information as comments. Set the parent to the existing item 269 Z4 beta bug bucket.